Hello YouTube. Today we're gonna learn top programming languages used in web development, mobile development, competitive programming, and of course from where you can learn these awesome skills and grab highly paid job. So let's get started. Web development. Web development is of two faces, one is the front end and back end is the other. First look at front end. When we discuss the front end of the web, what we're really talking about is the part of the web that you can see and interact with. The mostly used front-end technologies are hypertext markup language, cascading stylesheet, and JavaScript. JavaScript is also used as a server-side scripting language. Sounds great. Okay, later in this video we will discuss about it. Most of the code that is required to make an application work will be done on the back end. Back-end code is run on the server. There are many tools for back-end development. First look into the PHP or Hypertext Preprocessor language. The advantages of PHP for back-end development is rapid development, easy to maintenance. A framework makes web application secure, and also there is large open source community for PHP. Limitation of PHP is the slower execution, and mainly PHP requires extensions to run or perform. Another tool is Python. Python is an advanced, interpreted and general-purpose dynamic programming language. Advantages of Python in web applications is requires less coding, which, in turn, makes it readable and efficient. Building prototypes and ideas are much quicker in Python. Ready to meet the heaviest traffic demand. And it is versatile. Some disadvantages of Python is slower than Node.js, and lacked in smooth interaction of complex legacy data. As I promise, now look into the Node.js. It is a JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside the browser. Advantages of Node as in web development is companies are in awe of the speed at which Node.js functions. Data stream feature can be utilized to its fullest with Node.js. Node.js is here to build real-time web applications at a lightning speed. Node Package Manager (NPM) has risen with a significant growth. Disadvantages: API is not safe, and asynchronous programming model. In mobile development, we have mainly two, Android and iOS development. In Android development, programming languages used are Java and Kotlin. The average salary of Android developer is $70,000 per annum. Looking into the eyes of Java, Java was designed to be easy to use, write, compile, debug, and learn than other programming languages. Java is much simpler than C++ because it uses automatic memory allocation and garbage collection. There are many advantages of Java that make it unique, such as simple, object-oriented, secure, platform-independent, distributed, multi-threading. One of the major disadvantages of Java is its performance in terms of compile time. Now taking a glance at Kotlin, it's now the official language for Android development, announced by Google. Advantages of Kotlin over Java are, it's concise, safe, interoperable, tool-friendly and extension functions. Talking about disadvantages of Kotlin, larger file package size and build time is greater with Gradle. Moving to iOS development, the programming language used is Swift. Earlier Objective-C was also in use, but it's obsolete nowadays. The average salary of iOS developer is about $80,000 per annum. Talking about advantages of Swift, its performance, safe, interoperable with Objective-C, auto memory management and its cross-device support. Its disadvantages are poor interoperable with other IDEs and quite new programming language. Now, competitive programming. It is a mind sport usually held over the internet or a local network, involving participants trying to program according to provided specifications. Contestants are referred to as sport programmers. Most famous programming languages used are C, C++, Java and Python. Looking into C, it's one of the oldest and famous language. Many programmers love C language because of its fast code compilation and execution time. But there are some limitations too, like it's difficult to code and it's not object-oriented programming language. Now C++, upgraded version of C, it's very popular language among competitive programmers due to its fast code execution and standard template libraries. STL comes pre-built with it, that makes programmer life a lot easier. Some limitations of C++ are: it can't handle big numbers like big integers, and it is less readable than Python or Java. Next we have Java. It's really a good choice as it also comes with built-in libraries. Java 8 lambda expressions are very useful and it's lot more easier to read. But the major drawback of Java is, it is very slow to compile in comparison to C and C++. Now the last one is Python, one of the versatile language that can be used in many field of IT sectors. There are many advantages of using Python. Examples are: data structure are easy to implement, very easy to code and read, perfect choice for beginners and comes with lot of useful functions. Major limitations of Python are: loss of memory and compile time is also very bad. Now the question arises, from where I can learn all these great skills to grab highly paid job. Here are some great sites from where you can learn online: Udemy, Udacity, edX, Coursera, and of course YouTube. There are many more listed in description box, so please ensure to check them out. All links are in description box below. Hope you have found this video helpful. If you like it, please hit that like button below. Share among your friends, family, relatives. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome videos. Till then, bye. See you in our next video.